I just released a video, Will the Rise of Skywalker make $1 billion, 2 hours ago. In this video, I stated that it's going to be very difficult for Disney to make $10 million a day from here on out. The only reason they got sales here was because of New Year's. You can see here, January 1st. And I stated that it's going to be a very difficult uphill battle from here on out for Disney. Box Office Mojo just updated. You can see the total is 840, 057, 441. And the Rise of Skywalker took a massive hit. Its second highest from up here, the 47%. It took 45% drop and 69% from last week. It made $9 million on January 2nd. So just as I called it, it's going to struggle to make $10 million a day. And if it continues on this path, it's going to keep going down, down, down. For all we know, tomorrow, this is $5 million. So I'm going to stick to my guns. The Rise of Skywalker will not make $1 billion. And even if it does, it's going to be just over, and it most certainly is not going to reach The Last Jedi. I just wanted to give everyone a quick update. I think it's hilarious, and Disney is going to feel the sting on this one. They did it to themselves. Please like, subscribe, and comment on the video. May the Force be with you.